We're seeing all kinds of health anomalies in communities of poverty. Zip code and skin color should not determine outcomes in life. I'm out to change that.
Who's the white guy with the cheese hat, just walking around the neighborhood?
I had this vision. I could put this magical garden in the middle of a classroom and build school around it.
Stephen Ritz and his Green Bronx Machine are opening young minds to science, nutrition, and wellness.
You can hug it, but not too tight.
My favorite subject is science.
This is how change happens, one community at a time.
You can't rush growth. You can't go from seed to harvest without care and cultivation in the middle.